What's up, YouTube? Working on an '08 Chevy Impala. There's a crank no start. They had somebody else put a fuel pump in it, and I guess the fuel pump worked for a short amount of time and then quit working. I got to looking in here, and it's going to be hard to tell because this light does some weird stuff. But there's two different kinds of liquid in this gas tank. You can kind of make it out there on the edge a little bit, but I'm pretty sure this thing is half full of water, and that has ruined the new pump. So I'm going to drain this all out, get it all cleaned out, put fresh fuel in, fresh pump, and should be going down the road after that. Thanks for watching.